Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get 5,000 followers fast with TikTok ads for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to get into the TikTok Shop affiliate program just so that you can start earning some side hustle money or maybe basically like a couple extra $1,000 per month. Either way, let's go and get started. I'll leave a link down below in the description where you can follow along with me as I show you how to run TikTok ads in order to get followers. Now let's first hop into our screen right over here. And so when you first reach the ads.tiktok.com business page, this is what it's going to look like. You're just going to click on get started on any of these two buttons right over here, or you can scroll down and enter your email and password. Now, once you click on continue, you're going to reach a page that looks like this right here. So this is where you can enter your business name. And if you don't have a business name yet, you can just enter your name for now. You can enter your website URL, the industry that you mostly relate to, your country, currency, time zone, and then mobile number. So signing up for TikTok ads is pretty crucial because you are going to need an ads manager account. And this is actually how you sign up for that. Now, once you actually log into your ads manager account, we're going to go ahead and start creating an ad. So you can click on create ad, which is this button over here. And then from this page here, you're going to find the prompt, click on show all, and then click on community interaction. Notice how for community interaction, the objective is to get more people to follow your TikTok account. This is what we want. So make sure community interaction is checked marked. And then for the campaign name, I usually name my campaign names based on what my video is about. So I've created TikTok ads in relation to potatoes. I've created it for wood and slat panels. I've created it for golf balls, and I've also created it for foods. So you can name your campaign whatever you want, but it really helps me when I name my campaign name on what the video is about. So for this example, I'll just do potato, and then you want to toggle on campaign budget optimization. So what this does is that it's automatically going to optimize your budget allocation, meaning that if you have multiple ads running, which I recommend that you do, it's going to allocate more of your budget towards the better ads. So campaign budget optimization doesn't apply to the optimization goal of TikTok page visits, but let's go ahead and toggle this on. And then for the daily budget, I usually start off with $80, but you can start off with whichever amount that you want. Now keep in mind that just because you set the daily budget, it doesn't mean that you're guaranteed to spend $50 or $80. What it does mean though is that you will spend a max of $80. So my recommendation is that whatever daily budget that you set this to, make sure that you keep a close eye on it because you don't want to spend the entirety of your budget on a very low performing ad. And later on in this video, I'll show you what low performing ads look like. But I usually like to start off with $80. Again, you can spend $100 a day. You can spend $1,000 per day if you do want to get followers faster though. So we're going to go ahead and click on continue. Now for the ad group name, I usually just give it a number between 1, 2, 3, 4, and I just go in sequential orders. So for this one here, I'll just say 1, and then you're going to scroll down. I keep everything the same. So the age groups, the gender, the spending power, everything is the same just because I'm after followers so that I can qualify for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Now what I do set is the schedule start times. So I always start it at midnight of the following day. So today is January 4th, 2025. I'll set this to January 5th. And again, to start off the day, 00 midnight. So there's no preference here. I mean, you can start it in the next hour or so. But one thing to keep in mind is that if you haven't run TikTok ads before, or if you're on a brand new account, it is going to take a couple of hours before they actually review your ads manager account. And then it might take more hours to actually review your actual ad that you're trying to run on TikTok ads. So just keep in mind that there is a waiting period, especially for brand new accounts on TikTok Ads Manager. The optimization goal, you just want to confirm that this one here is set to follow, and then you're going to click on continue. Now on this page here, you can give your ad name whichever you want that helps you reference whichever ad that you're running an ad for on your TikTok account. Now we don't have any authorized accounts, but you're going to click on post authorized by account. And so I already have my TikTok account connected to here, but you want to click on authorize TikTok post. If you don't see your account here, you can still click on authorize TikTok post. And then what we're going to do is that we're going to enter the TikTok post code and preview the post. So I'm going to hop into my phone right now and show you exactly how to do this. So first you're going to hop onto your TikTok account and then click on profile. Now would be the good time to actually go ahead and post the TikTok post which you plan to run ads towards. So just some general guidelines in which I've been able to get 5,000 followers using TikTok ads. My posts are usually between 6 to 12 seconds long, and at the end of the video there is a CTA asking people to subscribe to see what happens next. So I'll show my TikTok post at the end of this video, but make sure that you've already posted your TikTok post, and then afterwards you want to find that post on your profile and then click on that post, and then on the right hand side you're going to see 3 dots. So click on those 3 dots, and then from here you want to scroll all the way to the right until where it says Ad Settings. So click on Ad Settings, and then this page here is going to appear where under Ad Settings it's going to say Ad Authorization. You want to toggle this on, and then for the select available period, I usually just set it to 365 days and then click on Authorize. So from here you're going to see a prompt that says video code, so click on Generate, and then you're going to see that it says video code pending. All you need to do is click on Save, and then you're going to see that the video code is now ready. So if I click on Manage and then I click on Copy Code, I'm going to send this to myself and then copy and paste that code onto the screen of what you see right here. So let's go ahead and copy and paste that code and then click on Search. And then now you'll see that my post appears as the preview here, and then click on Confirm. So now that I have a post that's been authorized on my TikTok Ads Manager account to use, you're going to click on Single Video, which is this prompt over here. So click on Single Video, and then click on TikTok post, and then you're going to find the post which you've authorized from your TikTok Ads Manager account. So right now I have a few of these posts here, but the post that you've actually gotten the auto authorization code from should appear here. So you just need to tick that box and then click on continue. And then now that's the post that you're going to run ads towards. So that's this post right over here. So next you're just going to scroll down and then click on, by checking this box, you confirm that you have the right to use the music in this ad for commercial purposes. And that's pretty much it. You're just going to click on Publish All. So now I'm going to hop onto a previous ad campaign which I was able to successfully run in order to get 5,000 followers. So under campaign, you're going to see this prompt here where the campaign that you named should be under this campaign tab. So your status might look different from mine. It might look like under review, and so give it about like 3 to 6 hours, especially if your TikTok's ads manager is brand new. But if you click into the campaign, you're going to see all your different ad groups that you see right over here. And so if we scroll to the right, I want to show you what's really important here. So if we scroll to the right, you'll see that I named my ad groups with whichever name. And then if we scroll to the right, you're going to see this thing called CPM. And this is how much you're paying, the average amount that you spend per 1,000 views. So you want your CPM to be as low as possible. So if this was a running ad group, you'll see that I have a $6 CPM here, $7, $8, $36, and $63. You would turn off the $63 and $36 CPM ad groups. So to do that, you just simply toggle it on and off by clicking on these buttons right over here. You could also see the conversions if you scroll more to the right. You can see that from this ad group here, I got 562 follows. And then from the other ad groups, I got 3, 19. So this is what I was referring to as far as making sure that you follow your ad groups and make sure that you're not spending too much. As a rule of thumb, I try to get lower than a $6 CPM for running ads in order to get followers, or I try to get less than 6 cents per follower. So you can see the cost per result in this first ad group here where I was paying around 8 cents per follow. That is probably like the most I'd pay, but ideally you want to try to get it less than 6 cents. So the reason why I have multiple ad groups is that you would simply just copy the ad group. So to kind of generalize, I start off with 2 TikTok posts and then I run ads towards both those posts. And then I actually copy those posts 3 times each, which yields around 6 total ad groups. So that's what you're seeing right here. So these first 3 will be the exact same video, but then these next 3 will also be the same exact video, but it's just 3 different ad groups running. And even though it's the same exact video, you'll see that you'll achieve different results. So these ones right here are $6, $7, and $8. And then these ones right here are $36 or $10, $63, and $8. So just make sure that you keep a close eye on your CPM and your cost per result. And again, less than $6 CPM is ideal, and less than 6 cents per follower is also ideal as well. Now, if you have a bigger budget, you can most certainly pay more, meaning that if you're willing to pay 11 cents per follower in order to get 5,000 followers, that's more so up to you. My goal was just to get it less than 6 cents per follower, and I've seen others and I've helped others get it for less than 3 cents a follow. So you could even cut your budget in half based on my recommendations as far as how much is it going to take for you to get 5,000 followers. So sorry, I wasn't showing my cost per result earlier. My screen was covering it, but here we have 8 cents, 11 cents, 11 cents per follower. And so I hope this gives you a really good idea as far as how to run TikTok ads in order to get 5,000 followers for the TikTok Shop affiliate. I know it might be costly in order to get this amount of followers, but the amount that you can make from TikTok Shop affiliates is so worth. I've been making anywhere between like 3 to 5 grand per month with TikTok Shop affiliates, and my account was brand new and I was able to apply for the TikTok Shop affiliates using TikTok ads. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And again, if you want to follow along with me, you can use my link down below in the description in order to follow along and rewatch this video. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.